IoT temperature sensor probe for wireless monitoring. This wall-mounted IoT temperature sensor is designed for seamless temperature monitoring, providing regular updates to users' smartphones or PCs anywhere around the world when paired with the RF solutions RIoT-Hub. It features auto-trigger level alerts to keep you informed of any significant changes. Available with 1 or 2 temperature probes. The sensor is housed in a waterproof IP68 enclosure, making it suitable for various environments. It can be powered by 2 AAA batteries or a 6 to 30 volts DC power supply via the screw terminals. With an impressive wireless range of up to 6 kilometers, the sensor is perfect for extensive monitoring needs, ideal for both indoor and outdoor applications. It offers a reliable solution for continuous temperature tracking.